Hi everyone, this is Pinto from Automotive Diagnostics Pro Plus. Now we have a Nissan Rogue and we have a wheel bearing noise. But what is the way to figure out which wheel bearing is making the noise? You can see right here. I lift the car. This car all the time has a all-wheel drive. So there is no way to lift the car and move the tire and see which one is coming by. As you can see, I use my jack over there and I lift the front and rear tire and I try to move by hand. You can see what's going on. It's not easy to move the wheel because it's connected with the rear wheels. So it's not possible to do a lot of tools to hear the noise. And now it's in neutral. You can see the front wheel move the rear wheel. So there is no way to check if I move the rear one, the same in the front. Let me put it in drive and see what may do. As you can see, it's not easy to find which bearing is making the noise. So for me, you have a car like this, the only way is remove the drive shaft to disconnect the rear tires, put in neutral, and then do spins to the front wheel and see which one is coming bad off. Maybe something wrong with the rear ones. So you disconnect the drive shaft and the rear and front differential will be disconnected, so it's a little bit easy to spin the tires and see which bearing is bad. All right, you have a different way to check which wheel bearing making noise. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostics Pro.